Hello my dear students, last class we have discussed triangle and properties chapter 6.5 exercise. So that completes the 6.6 chapter. So today we are going to start the new chapter, that is exponents and powers. So by using exponents and powers we can write a larger number in a shortest form by using exponents and powers. So how to write that one? So first see here 100 is there. Okay, how can we write 100 as the shortest form? So we can write 100 as 10 into 10, isn't it? 10 into 10 we can write it. So here 10 2 times. So how can we write it? 10 raised to 2. 10 raised to 2. I already explained in the last year by explaining which chapter, LCM and LCM. No. So 10 raised to 2. That means 10 2 times. You should write 10 as 2 times. So here 10 is a base. Here 10 is base and 2 is called as, this is an exponent. So 2 is exponent. So see here another one. Take 10,000. 10,000 how can write it? 10 into 10 you will get 100. Again multiply 10 you will get 1000. Next multiply 10 you will get 10,000. No? 10 how many times? 4 times. No? That means 10 raised to 4. So how to read this one? 10 raised to the power of 4. 10 raised to the power of 4 or 10 to the power of 4 or 10 raised to 4. Whatever you want to write down. So how to write that one? 10 raised to 4. So this is this is exponent. This is exponent and this is base. 10. Here 10 is base. 10 is base and 4 is exponent. So how to read this one? 10 raised to the power of 4 or 10 raised to 4. Both the same. Okay. 10 raised to the power of 4 or 10 raised to 4. 10 raised to 4, 10 raised to 2, or we can write it as a 10 square. 10 square. So this is the exponent. So this is 10 raised to 4 you get more. This is the exponential form of 10,000. Exponential form of 10,000. So exponential form of 1 lakh or take 1000. How to write that one? Exponential form of 1000. 10 into 10 into 10. So total how many tens? 3. No? 10 raised to 3. 10 raised to 3. So this is the exponential form. So this is exponential form. This is exponential form of 1000. Exponential form is, you should write it in exponents. So that is the exponential form. So take one example. Express 81 as a power of 3. That means just divide 81 by 3 up to 1. So divide it like this. Okay. So here 3 is there, here 8 is there. 3 2s are 6. 2 remains 21, 3 7s are. So next again divide up to 1. 3 9s are. So when you finding the LCM, use this method. No. So again that method only. 3 3s are. So next again 3 1s are. So how to write 81? So 81 as 81 equals to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. No. So that is 3 how many times? 4 times. No, that means 3 raised to 4. 3 raised to 4. So 81 you can write it as a 3 raised to 4. So check another one. 128 as a power of 2. As a power of 2. Solve this one. 128. So 2 6 are 2 4s are. Next 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 6s are next 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are next 2 1s are. So total how many 2s? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we can write it as 128 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Total how many 2s? 7. No? So 2 raised to 7. This is the exponential form of 128. That is the base is 2 and power is exponent is 7. No? Let's take the example. Find the values of minus 1 raised to 3 and minus 1 raised to 4. So first one, find out that one, minus 1 raised to 3. So write down. So minus 1 how many times? 3 times. No? So minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So this is the way of writing the numbers. Next, minus into minus plus 1 into 1 1 only. So here 1 you will get into, here minus 1 is there. Okay, next here plus is there, plus into minus. I already told that plus into minus minus. Minus 1 into 1 1 only. So final answer is minus 1 raised to 3 is minus 1. So another one, minus 1 raised to 4, minus 1 raised to 4. So how many times minus 1? 4 times into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So first multiply these two, after that these two. Minus into minus plus 1 into 1 1 only. Again same one, minus into minus plus 1 into 1 1 only. So answer is 1. So what you observe is here, minus 1 raised to odd number. Power odd number means you will get minus 1 as an answer. So minus 1 raised to odd number. Power must be odd number, then the answer is minus 1 only. So if minus 1 raised to even number means even number. If the power is even number with base minus 1, the resulting answer is plus 1. So this is very important. Remember this. Okay. Minus 1 raised to power must be odd number. That means 3, 5, 7. So many numbers are there. Answer will be minus 1. If the even number is in the power place with the base minus 1, answer is plus 1. Okay, let's go to the exercise 13.1. So first one, find the value of 4 questions are there. So how to find out the value? Just write down the numbers. 2 raised to power 6 means you should multiply 2 how many times? 6 times. So 2 into 2 into 2, total how many times? 6 times. So multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. So answer will be 64. 2 raised to 6 value is 64. So next again 9 raised to 3. You should multiply 9 how many times? 3 times. So multiply 9 into 9. So 9 9s are 81. 81 into 9. So multiply here. 81 into 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 8s are 72. So what is your answer? 729. Okay. So next 11 raised to 2. That means multiplying 11 into how many times? 2 times. So 11 11s are how much? 121. You should remember all the squares up to 25. 1 square starting from 1 square, 2 square up to 25 square. You should remember. Okay. So next 5 raised to 4. That means multiply 5 4 times. So 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 5s are 625. Okay. Finding the value very easy. Second question, express the following in exponential form. So it's very easy because they are already given the base. You should write only powers. 6 how many times? 4 times more. So answer is 6 raised to 4. So 6 is the base, power is 4. Why? Here 4 6 are. So next here t into t. T raised to 2. Why? Because here t how many times are there? 2 times. Next b how many times? 4 times means b raised to 4. Very easy. So here 5 is there and 7 is there. Write down separately. 5 how many times? 2 times. 5 raised to 2 into 7 how many times? 3 times 2, 7 raised to 3. That's it. Next 2. 2 how many times? 2 times. And a how many times? 2 times. A raised to 2. So next here a how many times? 3 times first. A raised to 3. Next c how many times? 4 times. C raised to 4. Next d 1. D as well. This is the answers. So next one, express each of the following numbers using exponential notation. So how to express this one? So this is a even number, starting from divide this number by 2. Okay, so 512 is there, so divided from 2. So 2 2s are 4, 1 remains, 11, 2 5s are 2 6s are. Next again 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 8s are. Next again divide 2 6s are 2 4s are. Next 2 3s are 2 2s are. Next again 2 1s are 1 remains 2 6s are. Next 2 8s are 2 4s are. Next 2 2s are. Next 2 1s are. So we can write 5 and 2 as total how many 2s are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 no? That means 2 raised to 9. 2 raised to 9. 512 equals to 2 raised to 9. So next 343. So 343. So second one 343. This is divisible by 7. So write 7. 7 4s are 28. So 28 34 minus 28 6 means 63. 7 9s are 63. So next again divisible by 7. 7 7s are 49. Again 7 1s are. So we can write it as 343. 343 equals to total how many times? 7. 3 times 2 7 raised to 3. So next 729. So this is divisible by. So this is divisible by 3. This is divisible by 3. So take it 3. 3 2s are 6. 1 remains 12. 3 4s are 3. 3s are. Next 3. 3 8s are 24. 3 1s are 3. Next again 3. So 3 2s are 3. 7s are 21. Next 3 9s are. Next 3 3s are. Next 3 1s are. So total how many times? 3 6 times. So 729 equals to 3 raised to 6. So here 3 is the base and 6 is the exponent. So next 3 1 2 5. So here 5 is there means it is divisible by 5 only. So take it 3 1 2 5. 5 6 are 30. 1 remains 12. 3 2s are 5 2s are 10. 2 remains 25. 5 5s are. Next again take 5 1s are 5 2s are 5 5s are. Next again 5 2s are 5 5s are. Next 5 5s are. Next 5 1s are. So total how many 5s? 5 now. That means 3 1 2 5 equals to 5 raised to 5. Okay, this is the way of solving this type of problems. Next fourth one, identify the greater number wherever possible in each of the following. So how to find out these two one? Which one is greater? So first solve it. 4 raised to 3 means first 4 into 4 into 4. So what will be the answer? 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Next this is 4 raised to 3 no. So next find out 3 raised to 4. 3 how many times? 4 times no. So multiply it. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. So compare these two, which one is greater? 81, that is 3 raised to 4 no. Therefore 3 raised to 4 is greater than 4 raised to 3. Okay, this is the way. Just simplify to get the answer. So next 2 raised to 8. So what is the value of 2 raised to 8? First write down simplification. So how many times? 8 times. 8 times. So what will be the answer? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 64 2s are 128, 128 2 8 raised to 2. That means 8 into 8, 64. Which one is greater? Obviously 256, no? Therefore 2 raised to 8 is greater than 8 raised to 2. So total 5 rounds are there. I have taken only 3 questions. Remaining 2 questions are homework rounds. So next 10 raised to 100 raised to 2. How to solve this one? 100 into 100. So what do you get? 10,000. So here 2 raised to 100. 2 raised to 100 means you should multiply to 100 times. Definitely it is the greater than 100 raised to 2 because you can write to up to 100 times. 100 times. Okay. So definitely this will be the greater number. Therefore 2 raised to 100 is greater than 100 raised to 2. If you want to check it, just check it. 2 into 2 up to 100 times. Okay. Next, fifth one, express each of the following as a product of powers of their prime factors. So prime means the number which is having only 2 factor, 1 and itself. So prime factor, that means here base must be prime number only. Okay. So how to solve this one? So again dividing method, 648. So this is an even number, it is divisible by 2. So try 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 4s are. Next again 2 1s are 2 6s are 62s are 32 2 2s are. Next again 2 8s are 16 2 1s are. So is this divisible by 2? No. So check it for 3 because 8 plus 9 8 plus 1 9 9 is divisible by 3. No divisibility rule. So divided by 3 2s are 6 2 remains 21 3 7s are 21. Next again 3 9s are. Next 3 3s are. So again 3 1s are. So prime factors means here 2 and 3 are prime factors. So what is the answer? 648 equals to, so 2 how many times? 3 times. 3 how many times? 4 times. That means 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 4. This is the answer. So total 4 questions are there. I have taken only 2 questions. Next questions are there. Homework rounds. So here 3600. So here 0 is the unit place. That means it is divisible by 5. So divided by 5. So don't divide by 10 because 10 is not a prime factor. So prime means it has only 2 factors, 1 and itself. But 10 has a more than 2 factors. 1, 2, 5, 10. That are the factors of 10. So take it 5. So 36, 5 7s are 35, 1 remains 10. 5 2s are and 0 as is. Next again divisible by 5. 5 1s are 2 remains 22. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. So this is a even number divisible by 2. No? So 2 7s are 14. 2 2s are. Again it is divisible by 2. 2 3s are 2 6s are 12. Next again 2 18s are 2 9s are. So is 9 is divisible by 3. No? So 3 3s are. Again 3 1s are. So how to write this one? 3600 as a product of prime factors. 5 how many times? 2 times. So 5 2 times and 2 how many times? 4 times. Next 3 2 times. So write down 5 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 2. Okay. Next sixth one, total 8 rounds are there. I have taken only 3 questions because these are very easy questions. Just a simplification. So how to solve this one? 2 into 10 raised to 3 means you should multiply 10 how many times? 3 times. So into 10. So next 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000. 2 into 1000. So what will get the answer? 2 into 1 2. Remaining 3 zeros as is. So answer is 2000. This is the simplification, just a multiplication. So next here 0 into 10 raised to 2 is there. So if you multiply 0 to any number, the resulting will be 0 only. So answer is 0. Next, so first, so solve this one. 2 raised to 4 means multiply it to how many times? 4 times. Next again multiplication 3 how many times? 2 times. 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 into 3 3s are 9. 16 9s are how much? 144. Okay, this is the simplification. Just a multiply, you will get the answers. So next seventh one, again simplification, but here minus sign is there. So I was given no here. Minus 1 raised to odd number equals to minus 1. Minus 1 raised to even number equals to plus 1. So first here minor raised to odd number is there, no? So you will get minus only. Answer will be in a minus. So first how to write this one? Minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. Okay, so now solve this one. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So resulting sign will be minus. Why? Because minus raised to odd number is minus only. So answer will be minus. Why? Because minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus no. So next this one. So first write down minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So how many times 10? That is also 3 times. Minus 10 raised to minus 10 into minus 10. So here minus raised to odd number is there. Here we will get minus. Again here will be minus 1, minus into minus plus. The resulting sign will be plus. So how to solve this one? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay. So first solve this one. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus. So minus 8 into 10 times are 100, 100 times are 1000. So this is 1000. So minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus. So now minus into minus plus 8 into 1000. Answer will be positive. Answer will be positive 8000. Okay. Next remaining 2 questions are there. They are homework notes. And the next 8th one is there. That is also homework. Write yourself.